everyone. So this is a small early bird video. Hope Sammy spawns a secret lucky block and we get a last. Oh my god, someone joined me. Naughty. This one is from the. What do we say? Christmas even, but I'm. And just because I'm somewhere else, so. Internet issue. Like, see, I'm on the carpet, but the carpet. See the carpet. I'm flying without the carpet right now. But just see that thing. And early bird is happening. Three minutes. And Los Burritos. I'll be happy with that thing, bro. If Sammy doesn't spawn a secret lucky block, bro, I'm gonna crash out. But the internet, bro. But the carpet. The carpet came. Okay. The carpet is now okay. So I have added all my stuff, shifted all my stuff into my alt. Like, y'all think the chimney got stolen, but some scripter was in my PS. So basically he was trying to steal it, and when I was trying to block him, he was not being blocked from me. I pressed the block button, but he was still there in the game. So now let's wait for the early bird. I know Sammy is naughty, so he'll do the early bird after 1 or 2 minutes. I know Sammy, bro. The cursed event is also at 1 minute. Bro, I hate this toilet paper. By the way, I did a giveaway of Diamond Isoc Secola 45 million per second to one of our subs. Okay, 1 minute 21 seconds. Let's wait here. So the one I gave away him Isoc Secola. Most probably he will play the admin abuse with me, as I gave him an opportunity. So if y'all also want to play with the admin abuse with me and do trade farming with me, subscribe to my channel, and the private server link will be in the description. How much time? Oh, now less than 30 seconds, I think so. Now let's wait for the early bird. By the way, Sammy has not uploaded messages till now. (18, 17). Okay, someone is inviting me. Well, now, bro, I'm not going. Early bird, yay! Sammy, we want to see lucky block, bro. Yo! Let me just spin. Someone spawn. Oh my gosh! Secret lucky block, bro. He spawned a secret lucky block. No!
Lucky block.
He spawned the secret. Nah, bro, I didn't want the curls one. Curls lucky block होगी secret.
Lucky block.
So नहीं, मैं तो नॉर्मल हुआ है.
हट यहाँ से मेरे
So
मेरे को
guys-
सिखाएगा मैंने भी आ गया.
So guys, my brother is also there. Subscribe to his channel. See, I'm an R. Okay, W. Let me put that in the new machine, bro. I'm putting that thing in the new machine, bro. Nah, bro, I'm just joking. By the way, it looks cool. And now, I'm not allowing any connection except my brother and that subscriber of mine. So, Nehan, if you want to play in my PS and the video.
Bro, no, you will scam me.
No, I'll not scam. For sure,
Bro,
for
I
sure,
thought you
for sure,
would
for sure,
scam
for
me.
sure, for sure, for sure.
Bro, no, for sure.
Bro, it'll be
Bro, I'm not gonna trust you today.
It'll be stolen,
Bro, no. Today I will not trust you.
Bro.
I said today I will not trust you.
Okay, bro. Then I'm unblocking you, bro.
Yeah.
Bro, I know your secret book was stolen. I'm just taking care of it, bro. So, configure. Connections not allowed. I'm giving the last chance. It'll be safe, bro. Add people. His name was Arav. Okay. He was something 108 or I don't remember that thing. Nah, bro.
Mastodon. God! I saw last secret. I'm not joking. I went to last secret in my PS. Y'all.
You don't even have a PS.
Bro, I have. You can see, y'all.
I'm only allowing. No one actually. Let me talk to that.
Oh my gosh.
Person.
Oh my gosh. Secret lucky box is there.
Oh my gosh! Evilly bro.
Kim Nino. Cursed.
So guys, we'll meet
PvP Pro Lucky Hat.
in admin abuse. Most probably I'll not play, but
Oh my gosh.
I'll convince my mom. Meet y'all. Bye.